Hey y'all, welcome back to L&L Honeycomb Homestead. Today we're going to go to another town, to a place called American Freight. I'm sure you heard of it. If you haven't, it's a discounted store where you can get appliances, furniture, and all that for the very low. And won't be nothing wrong with it. Only about a dink or a dent or something like that might be wrong with it. And they knock the price full price all the way down to like $200, $300, $500 when the appliances and stuff like that run like $2,000, $1,000. So come with us so you can see what this place is all about. You can look online. They deliver wherever you're at. And yeah, so let's get to it, y'all. Hey family. We done made it down here to American Freight. We were headed to this store, but guess what's happening? There's a car show, and there's other things going on too. So I'm gonna take y'all around so you can see what's going on. Hey y'all, so we're in American Freight, and yeah, we were looking at these stoves. You know I've been looking for a stove. I'm gonna take you over here so you can see what the stove that we are looking at. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is the stove. You see what the regular price is, right? And it would run $40 a month, or we can pay cash for it today. $720 is whatever. But I've been looking for a stove because I'm tired of these backs that be like that. I don't want that no more. It's played out. So this is just a flat surface, and I'm gonna pull you back, and that's how it looks, y'all. And I'm gonna show you the inside. Look at there, y'all. Oh, it looks so good. Yes. So I'm gonna take you on around with this and look at some other things. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see. So be aware of this funky music, because I'm trying not to get copyrighted with the music. They got some good music, y'all. I wish I could play it, but it's in the making to have some good music for this channel. So yeah, I'm gonna turn y'all around so you can see what's going on. Here we go. So yeah, they got all this cute furniture going on. Look at here, y'all. I cannot wait until we get out there on the homestead. But you see this, $8.99, and costs more than that, but it's just too cute. Too cute. And I'm also going to show you some other stuff that they have. Look at this, y'all. It's just so pretty. And I know we were looking at something like this, you know, where we can have to sit and watch movies on. You know what I'm saying? Just beautiful. If y'all have a Harbor Freight, leave a comment down below and let me know what you have, or have you been to our American Freight? And I said Harbor Freight, but I meant American Freight. Look at this. This is just too nice. Let's see what Elle looks like sitting in one of these. I think he's really liking this, y'all. Look at that. I can see myself sitting in that bad boy too. Look at Elle. See you later, darling. We're gonna go check out some more things. So yeah, as we go on around, and there's other. Y'all, look at this over here. I was just looking at it and checking it out. Y'all, you know this is like a movie theater for real. Look how they got these little floodlights up underneath this bad boy. You know they got it going on. You sitting up in the living room watching a movie. See them floodlights. You know they done showed out. Making that rug pop on that floor too. Look at that. Back over here, because this floodlight seating is good. And look, y'all, it's got some speakers built in. Look at that. Look. He's hooked up. Look at that. That's looking nice. You know Elle's loving it, y'all. Look at him. Look at him. He Said hit that button on the side. There you go. Let's see. See if you can get it. Hold on, man. Uh-oh. Let's see. There it goes. Yes. Ooh, it slowly rises, but and you know that's a bad image. If it's making that bad boy just lie out slow. Look at you. Look at the hawk, y'all. William. I know you hear us, William. But do you see this? Look at the hawk. He's just leaning back. And he's changing the lights. And look, y'all. This is so nice. And the dual speakers. And then on the bottom, too. You see the speakers down there, y'all? Look at that. That bad boy is cool. And look at the speakers. Hold on. Let me bring it up closer. Look at there, y'all. It's got the auxiliary cord, USB, all that. And you can Bluetooth this. Look at all that space and room. You can put your remotes and everything down off in here. It's cool. You even got this side the same way. Just look in there. Look at all that space. It's cool. Cool. This is really nice. That price is nice too, but I don't know. It'd be worth an investment. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But it's nice. Yeah. That'll be the man cave. The beds, y'all, the bedroom suits. Going with every color you want to have as far as your bedroom scene or how you want it to be. Goes all the way down to the other end, and then and down over here to this side as well too. Got all of that. This look like some lockers, don't it, y'all? They're cool. It's cool. Then it goes over into this. You want to lay back up in there, don't you? I know that's right. That's pretty nice right there. I like that. This is real nice right here. And then if you're looking for some extra space and room, you got your drawers that pull out right here. And it's nice and firm. So these are nice. This is even higher. I love a high bed. I love me a high bed. Look how high this bed is, y'all. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. Yeah. And there in the room, you can see this. Just beautiful. So y'all liking it so far? Now y'all know I'm looking for a deep freezer too, because we're gonna be buying our own cow as far as buying the meat. We're gonna be doing that, so we've been looking at deep freezers as well, because we got 2 of them already full with garden stuff. So if we get some meat like a hog or something like that, we'll have space. We'll have a stand-up freezer and a deep freezer. And so I'm gonna show you with that. Show you the prices on this, y'all. Y'all tripping, look. Do you see that?
All right, guys, y'all into antiques, cars? Check this out. Motors.
Lofton Chevrolet
Look at this, y'all.
Western Auto, Lowe's Home Improvement North,
Ooh-wee.
Maggie Moo's Ice
Y'all
Cream
see
and
this?
Great American Cookies, Marco's
Look at
Pizza,
him, look at him.
McAllister's Deli, can't even talk this evening. Mega Compressor, Mom and Pop's Pizzeria Medina.
I'm gonna show you what this
Nursery
car
and
is looking
Homescape,
like.
Napa Auto Parts in Henderson, Northside Auto Service, Old Hickory Car Care Center, Old Town Spaghetti Store,
Turn you on
Dennis
around
Mitchell Auto Care,
so you can
Discount
get a look
Tire,
at this bag.
Don Poncho Mexican Restaurant, Firestone Center in Jackson, Creed Hardeman University, Henderson, Gateway Tire and Service Center, Golden Circle Tire and Service, Goodyear Auto Service, Grease Monkey, Green Frog Coffee and Grill, Hub City Tire Company, Hunt's Tennessee Barbecue, Jack's Family Restaurant South Highland, Jackson Bowling and Skating Family Fun Center, Jimmy John's KB's Auto Service Center,
That
Olive
Thunderbird,
Garden
y'all.
Italian Restaurant, O'Reilly's Auto Parts North Parkway, O'Reilly's Auto Parts Bakery,
Here's another.
Paso Bistro and Pizzeria, Big House Barbecue, R&J Feed Supply Company, Rod Star and Automotive Medina,
Just
Royal Nails,
clean.
Sage Boutique, Sterling
that.
Auto Service, Teeth Knowles, 45 Auto Mart Henderson, Tennessee
Check out the
Tractor, Texas
inside,
Roadhouse,
y'all.
and Volunteer Home Care. The sponsors that helped put on this car, Perkins Child Abuse
140 on the dash.
Show.
140,000 miles.
Christian Car Club.
Ooh-wee.
Appreciate all the vendors coming out and being with us. Everything that they had to do.
Y'all see the original. This truck, y'all.
Okay, we're going to do the trophies, some of them now, because they're still counting the 50-50 pop. Got to keep things moving. I know it's hot and everybody's tired. So we're going to give a little history on these trophies. At the dying request of a past member, he asked if we would take trophies from his trophy room and refurbish them and use them in our show.
It's Camaro.
And we got some really pretty trophies. There's some good trophies. These things have been reconditioned to probably better than the new trophy we're buying today. And we're happy to do this on the behalf of a past member. We're going to start with the top 30 awards. And how that works is a number, trophies are numbered. And if you come up here and you call your number, your registration number, your car, your name, you're going to come up and draw a number out of the hat. And then that number is going to designate which trophy you get. We don't have them designated for each car. We're going to have 15 classes or best in class. We'll call you by name.
That's what we're sitting out in the field.
Y'all look at this. Ooh, look at that shine to it, y'all. It just is just amazing. It says 1911. That was the year of my grandfather's year. But look at that. Ford. at there.
576. That's easy. 576, 576. Trophy red tickets 576. 576.
He be posing, y'all. Look at that. Oh, this is nice. Just gorgeous.
The winner, Daniel Schultzmer. Thank you, Daniel.
This is the inside.
I think 3 trophies to take home. I know you go there.
Your plan.
Okay, Will Mayfield. Next is Mark and Kathy Cohen for the 2002 Lexus SC430. Next is Steve Williams. 1922 Ford T-Bucket Roadster. Steve Williams. 1966 Ford Mustang.
Enjoying this.
Bernie Byrne. 2013 Shelby GT500.
They're doing a drawing
Rick
right now
Nelson,
to see who
1969
can win
Chevelle.
whatever. But this is the Tupperware, y'all.
Chris Wolford, 2006 Ford Mustang GT.
And they do a drawing. That means you can get whatever the vendors have out here. You get a ticket, you buy a ticket, they're calling out the numbers,
Tim Moore,
and you can win something like from the Tupperware area or just whatever.
Danny and Teresa Graham, 1932 3-window.
Then you got
Charles
jewelry,
and Therese Arnold
you
with their
have
1970 Chevelle
candles,
SF. Those are the top 30 awards.
candles,
I got 4 or 5 more.
makeup.
Michael Bunch,
just all kind of things
1968 Camaro
up
SS.
through here.
Vince Carava, 1933 3-window.